Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the examination form. The examination form is fully customizable to fit the practitioner's needs and is used to document assessment results conducted on a patient. The form enables the practitioner to bill the patient seamlessly as billing codes are automatically generated upon the completion of the test results. Please note that the form will remain blank until configuration to your specifications and the workflow event template is created. For more information regarding how to set up the examination form, please refer to the examination form, navigation and use manual, linked in this video's description. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. First, click on a desired patient booking, which will open the diary sidebar. Click on the clinical button. The clinical screen will open. From here, click on the Forms Library drop-down menu and select the examination option. The examination form will be added to the clinical sidebar under the Active Forms section. Please note that the default examination form that was set up will open automatically. If you wish to use another template, click on the template drop-down menu and make your selection. The selected template will now open. We will now take a look at the various fields and sections displayed within this form. For demonstration purposes, we will be showcasing a previously set up form to illustrate the functions effectively. The System Selector will allow you to customize the form by choosing which panels or sections to display. Only the necessary panels are shown, while the rest are hidden, but they can easily be made visible if needed. For more information regarding the System Selector, please refer to the examination form System Selector User Manual, linked in this video's description. Panel buttons are action buttons located on the panel, providing additional options unique to that panel. For more information regarding each panel, please refer to the examination form Panel Buttons User Manual, linked in this video's description. Each panel will operate consistently, meaning that the main action of opening the panel will be the same for all panels. First, click on the Split Section panel to expand. The split section divides images, conclusions and widgets into left and right sides of the body, allowing each side to be completed independently. Click on the Uncheck button for the section to open. When the panel's contents are opened, the Uncheck button will turn red and rename itself to Findings, signaling that findings have been included in the panel. Please note that the contents of each section is determined by the setup. Click on the Findings button, which will turn the Findings button green, indicating that the normal conclusion has been reached. Please note that by clicking the normal button will close all additional options and the section will be marked as unchecked once again. Click on the Copy to Other Side button to copy all the information from one side to the other and vice versa. You can also click on the arrows icon to select both sides, which can also be utilized to advance the status of both sides simultaneously. Click on the Notes field to complete information regarding the patient's symptoms and conditions using text or voice recordings. Note that the panels can be set up with an additional space for general notes as shown in the Notes section. Additionally, click on the Add Voice Recording button to capture audio notes as well. For more information regarding how to make voice notes, please refer to the How to Add a Voice Recording User Manual, linked in this video's description. Please note that once the voice recording has been recorded and saved, the voice note will be added to the panel. Billing codes can be configured to activate automatically when the panel is selected by clicking on the Uncheck button in the section where the billing codes have been set up. The pre-configured billing codes will be automatically added under the line section of Assessment, Planning and Billing. Images will let you make use of drawings, illustrations and photos that can either be added with the setup or while you are using the form. Available images will show images that have been added to a section when the setup of the form was done. Click on the image to open the video capture screen to make indications on the uploaded image. For more information regarding how the video capture screen works, please refer to the How to Upload an Image Photo User Manual, linked in this video's description. The Add Custom Image panel allows the practitioner to upload images, scans, x-rays and draw images relating to the examination. Click on the Add Image button to upload the desired images. Once again, this will open the video capture screen. A pill represents a procedure, action, symptom, medication or various other elements related to the patient. Pills are versatile, offering various actions that become available when each pill is utilized. Click the desired pill to action it, which will turn the pill red. Please note that all pills that don't have widgets linked to them will have a text field that can be used for additional notes. Pills can be customized to have different actions that are triggered when the pill is selected. For example, clicking on a custom pill with a pre-configured widget will automatically complete considerations that will appear later in the form. An explanation will be given for each type of widget that can be added to the pill. The text field can be used for any additional text that you would like to accompany the pill. The number field can be utilized to add a numerical value to the form. Click on the drop-down menu to select an option from the pre-configured list. As shown in this multiple widgets example, more than one widget can be added to a pill if your practice necessitates it. For more information regarding pills, please refer to How to Set Up Pills on Customizable Forms user manual, linked in this video's description. A widget is a component used to input data, make selections, or trigger actions on a specific field or pill. Various widgets are available, including text or number fields, drop-down menus, and more. Please note that certain widgets listed are used specifically for eye-related examinations. For more information regarding these widgets, please refer to How to Set Up Widgets on Customizable Forms user manual, linked in this video's description. The text input field can be utilized to enter the desired information in text format. The number field can be utilized to add a numerical value to the form. The number column selector add button can be used to add a numerical value using only the mouse cursor, for example, to enter beats per minute or the weight amount. Click on the drop-down menu to select an option from the pre-configured list. Records can be logged depending on the fields that have been set up for the widget by clicking on the Add button and completing the fields. Once done, you are able to edit the record if needed or remove the record. Systolic and diastolic fields will be available where the blood pressure can be captured. You are able to complete the fields manually or click on the Add button to open the column selector and selecting the values this way. Please note that all widgets can be named according to the information required during setup. The Assessment, Planning and Billing section in Workflow Event Forms provide a comprehensive summary of the patient's health after all tests are completed. It outlines the treatment plan based on the assessment and includes the billing codes for the test performed. Each test's billing code are automatically added to the bill section for quick and efficient billing. For more information regarding each field and option within this section, please refer to the examination form, Assessment, Planning and Billing user manual, linked in this video's description. You are able to add the practitioner signature by clicking on the Doctor Signature button. From here, you can manually draw the signature or load it from the system by entering the user's PIN. To learn more regarding this, please refer to the How to Add a Doctor Signature user manual, linked in this video's description. Once satisfied with the information entered, click on the Complete button. Click on the Email button to send a copy of the examination via electronic mail to the desired recipients. For more information regarding how to send an email, please refer to the Send an Email user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Print button to open a preview to print a hard copy of the examination. To download a copy of the examination to your local device, click on the Print drop-down menu and click on the Download button. Lastly, you are able to create a referral letter from this document by clicking on the Print Letter button. To learn more regarding this, please refer to the Letter Event Glossary, linked in this video's description.